Hello mga mommies! Welcome to the Meat House here in BFRB Las Piñas. This is located along Gloria Diaz. And actually, my husband and I have seen this so many times in the past. Pero hindi naman siya pinapansin kasi we thought it was just a soju bar or a bar where, people just drink. It wasn't a samgyeopsal place. Pero last Friday, we actually went in kasi I was so hungry. And then we thought, siguro naman may Korean food sila. Apparently, they have more than just Korean food. As you can see, they have an entire three-door freezer ng mga drinks. Tapos, meron pa silang costumes for hanbok. O, di ba? Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-Korea, pero bet mo na masubukan yung mga mag-hanbok, mag-pictorial, meron dyan, may pailaw pa sila, and meron pang pa-ring light. So, para talagang nasa studio ka naman kapag trinay mo ito. And then, ang gusto ko pa sa kanya, sobrang luwag ng place. As in, kahit siguro puno yung buong lugar, hindi siya magiging masikip kasi well-spaced yung pagkakalagay. And then this. Yes, this. Nakikita niyo ba yung dalawang parang bakal na may bilog? That is the ramen station where you can have unlimited ramen. Tapos, ikaw yung magluluto. So, talagang experience siya. Parang feeling mo na sa K-drama ka, you had a big fight with your best friend, your boyfriend, you got fired, tapos magre-ramen ka outside. And then, they also have unlimited coffee. Yes, meron silang Maxim. Tapos, ito pala ang tamang size para sa coffee na yan, para may lasa siya at masarap. And then, ikaw na rin na magtatakal ng sarili mong rice. So, it's really, really very hands-on. It's self-service, pero ang sarap ng vibes niya kasi para kang nasa Korea. And then, kita nyo naman, ganyan kadami yung side dish at hindi siya tinipid. As you can see, napakadami. And they also have ice cream. There's a variety of choices when it comes to the ice cream. So, sulit na sulit talaga. But the ice cream is not part of the samgyeopsal. You have to pay for it separately. Pero I can guarantee you, sulit na sulit. Ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng ramen. It's so easy. And then, ayan, di ba? May spices and seasoning ilalagay mo. Ang gusto ko pa dito, alam mo yung handle ng pot na yan? Hindi siya umiinit. So, ang safe niya, kapag kumulo na, naluto na yung ramen mo, okay ka na. You just grab it by the handle, ipo-pour mo na doon sa bowl, and then you're ready to go. Also, you can add egg dito sa ramen for just an additional 15 pesos. Sulit na. Kung ayaw mo naman ng egg, no problem, walang add-on. You can eat as many ramyun as you would like. Basta make sure lang na uubusin mo. Kasi syempre, ayaw natin ng food wastage. Tapos, pagka may tira ka, syempre, may bayad na yon. Now, syempre, let's talk about the price. 480 lang siya kapag weekday, 580 kapag weekend, and itong hot pot is 680. We also tried it kasi andun yung mommy ko nung second visit namin, and she loved it. Like, na-appreciate niya talaga. Ang dami niyang nakain. So, if you have seniors or anyone who likes hot pot, definitely you can go for the hot pot option. I will be blogging about this and I'll be showing you guys the prices ng menu para makita nyo naman kung sulit ba siya. Kasi for me, in all honesty, sulit na sulit dahil yung pork niya, the pork belly, it's actual pork belly. Hindi siya like thin strips of pork belly. This is actual pork belly. Yung enoki, ang tataba din. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Andiyan pa lang. Sa hot pot, yung enoki, sulit na sulit din. So, wala lang, super happy lang namin. This is not a collaboration. This is not an X deal. They did not invite me to review. I went there 3 times already with my family. Una kami ng husband ko, sumunod kasama yung mom ko and kapatid. And then kanina, we went there na kami naman as a fam lang. And super happy kami. We would definitely be going back. I think the only problem we have is we want to keep coming back again and again and again. So, ayan, that's my kid. That's my sister and her boyfriend. And they're trying out the ramen place. Again, if you want to experience authentic, legitimate samgyeopsal, I honestly will, stake my bet on this one. It's really, really good. My kid loved it. Ayan, lamon lang siya ng lamon ng kanyang noodle. My mom was so happy as well. Sabi niya, nabusog siya. And overall, everyone in my family was just really, really happy about this. So make sure to drop by. Again, they're just along Gloria Diaz, right across, but first coffee. See you there.